Good morning to all. Myself Chef Aman, and today we will make tomato soup. For this we will need roughly cut tomatoes 2 cup, roughly cut ginger 1 inch, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, lemon wedges, green chili chopped, 1 medium size onion roughly chopped, and 2 to 3 tej patta. Now let's start. Take a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons oil, now add tej patta leaves and saute 10 to 15 seconds. Now add ginger, green chili and garlic cloves and onion. When onion becomes soft, add roughly cut tomatoes, and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, when the boil is coming, switch off the flame and turn this mixture in a grinder for a smooth paste. Our puree is ready. Now stain it with the same pan with the help of sieve. After sieving, we will receive this liquid. It is a very thin. Now switch on the flame and again bring to boil. The liquid boil, add salt to taste, red chili paste 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, sugar a pinch, and lemon juice. Again bring to boil for 1. We can add cornstarch celery. It is a mixture of cornstarch and water. And another cook for 1 minute. Serve hot. Garnish with cream and bread croutons. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel